friends, I'm back and I'm going to give you a quick little kitchen tip about storing bananas and grapes. Only because I bought bananas last night and grapes while I was at Meijer. They had a good sale on them. So I wanted to show you just exactly how I do my storage so they last longer. And then you're not throwing so much away. And these, by the way, were 48 cents a pound and my grapes were $1.99 a pound. So first, I already took care of my grapes because when I get them from the store, when I get home, I take care of them immediately. And what I do, very simple, and these will last, not that one, these will last a nice long time. I put them in the sink and I wash them. A lot of people will tell you not to wash them, but I do, and it lasts just fine for me because my grandbabies and everybody comes in, and the first thing they do is they grab a handful of cheese and a handful of grapes. Two best snacks. I'd rather them do that, rather them grab that than cookies all the time. So anyway, I take them all off the stems and I wash them very well. And then I dry them. I just lay them out on a towel and I rub them around and dry them. And then I put them in an airtight container. And see, I put a little piece of paper towel in there to absorb any water or moisture that I may not have dried them. And these, friends, stay nice and crisp and crisp and crunchy, and they stay good for about a week to 2 weeks, which they never last that long here anyway. I'll be lucky. Those will be gone in a few days. My grandbabies love them. So that, friends, is how I store my grapes. Now with the bananas. People will tell you, I'm sorry, I'm eating grapes. People will tell you to wrap this part of the stem in foil or plastic wrap or whatever, and that your bananas will stay, fresh for a long time. Yes, but I'm going to take it one step farther. If you want them to last a real long time, you separate every one of them from each other. Separate them. See, like so. Separate them out. Do not ever, I see so many people that put their bananas on top of their fruit in their fruit bowl. Yeah, they won't last long because they give off the gas that makes everything ripen so quickly. And you'd be buying fresh bananas for banana bread, and you just don't want that. So what I do with these, it's real simple. I just take them and I wrap each one of them individually, like so. And I just store them. Now you can set them together when you do that. I have a separate little fruit dish for them that I store because, again, you can store them in the fridge loosely and, throughout your fridge, just plain like that without the tops being wrapped. And they'll last, but this is a better way for me. I like it. And then I just keep them in a nice little fruit dish, and they don't last long because everybody eats them very fast. But that's what I do, friends. And that way they'll last a while. My grapes last a while, and you reduce any food waste. So you buy bananas on a nice sale and you don't throw any out, and you've really made a sale. You've really got a deal. So there you have it. That's how I do it. That simple, that easy. And that's kitchen tip of the day. Thanks for watching.